Yo my dudes, welcome back to another video. So like you guys have seen, I have changed the car back to its old track form. The reason for that is we are planning on meeting up with a YouTuber today to do a video shoot. It's kind of a collab. So the whole reason for me actually changing the whole look back to its track form is so that I can showcase what the car does look like in its track form. And then going forward, we are going to continue with the winter build series, as well as I do have other parts for the winter build series as well. So then when the whole winter build series is complete, we are meeting up with another photographer to do another shoot. So please do stay tuned for that as well, guys. However, today we are going to meet up with another YouTuber, and we are going to do the video shoot with the whole track form. I am going to give you guys an update when I do get to the venue, what the whole plan is with the shoot. So see you guys there.
Minutes later.
Okay guys, just to give you a little update, I think the shoot is going to be somewhere by Settlers. Settlers is the high school. For you that don't know, Settlers is was known for their pretty girls actually. So it's somewhere close to that. I don't know the exact location. I think he mentioned something about a train line. So I'm just going to put the GPS in, and then I'm just going to follow the location that he sent. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys just saw that now, but anyway, Bucky just turned in. Basically he probably never saw me coming on, but I was coming on in the speed, so I actually wanted to turn around and give him a piece of my mind, but anyway. Okay guys, so this is Settlers High School, and I think the video shoot is probably going to be in this parking lot over here. Yo my dudes, so we just arrived to the venue. We were going to do the shoot. This is my car over here, and this is my friend Ryan. This is the YouTuber that will be doing the shoot with us. We are going to do a little bit of a collab. Like I mentioned, this venue is by Settlers. I think this is the high school over here. It's a pretty quiet area. Ryan does have a few ideas that we are going to do with the EG. It's going to be like a short type of movie type of vibe. Would you say it's like a cinematic short story?
Yeah,
you would say.
for the specs and whatever.
And you will obviously be including the specs like let's say for example the twin loop Mugen exhaust, etc. Another thing, my friend Kieran might just pull through with his bike, so we're just gonna hang out while Ryan does his thing. So I'll just update you guys again if there's anything new added to this video. What is it actually doing now? I see it moving around.
Oh, it's busy calibrating at the moment.
So it's the same like air suspension would calibrate the height, etc.
Yeah, exactly. So it's trying to get all center points at the moment.
And then after it moves into its center, then it's obviously ready for.
Yeah.
So that's cool.
So that like this, and then we'll calibrate all.
You worried about that? I'm worried about my license disc.
Oh shit.
Yo guys, so we got enough video footage. Ryan did say he did get enough. He's happy with what the shoot looks like, right Ryan?
Yeah.
Then I don't know if you guys can see in the background, the shoot was kind of cut short.
Yeah, cut short.
Because of I don't know, some law enforcement, but yeah, that's how it goes guys. But I am happy with the outcome of today's shoot. Basically we did get enough, even though it was cut a bit short, and it was nice meeting you, Ryan. We will definitely meet again in future.
No, 100%.
And then just to let you guys know, the shoot will be featured on Ryan's channel. I'll just put the link in the description, as well as I'll put his name over here at the bottom. So the shoot will basically first feature on his YouTube channel. So please guys, move over to, or how can I say, go over to his channel and just give him a subscribe subscribe, or maybe just like a few videos of his. Bear in mind it will be featured on his channel first before it does come over to ours, so please just give him a subscription, as well as if you guys are interested in a shoot similar to the shoot that we are going to doing. See you guys. Anyway, so if you guys are interested in a shoot like we have done today, you can make contact with him. I'm sure his information will be at the bottom in my link in the description, as well as on his channel as well, so you guys can just hit him up with a similar shoot, or maybe a different shoot of your liking. But I guess this is a wrap, guys, and please do like and subscribe. See you guys in the next vlog. Peace.